What's going on, guys? If you guys see this video, it's a little bit weird because I changed the aspect ratio of the video 2:1. Kind of shows up a little black bar, give you like more room if you to watch the video on the iPhone, so you can see like more view. Without further ado, let's start the vlog. Here we go.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down.
Alright, just going to China right now, and I got a problem right here. Is I'm in the airport right now and waiting for like a transfer plane to another place. And what I have right now is the VPN I get ready for is the Express VPN, and I downloaded it on both my laptop and my iPhone, but it didn't work on both. So it works last time when I come back, but it didn't work on both. So basically you guys probably have to wait until I come back when I go back and upload this video. But for now you guys probably can't see the video, and that's probably it. So for the update right now, here it is. It doesn't really work. If I click it, it just says connecting for like forever, so it's not gonna work. I guess we have to wait. I belong to you. Take me to your soul. Alright guys, I just got back from the airport. Just look at this. I've been back here for a long time. I'm gonna be here for like the next 24 days, and like I told you guys earlier, somehow the VPN worked. If I change the connection, the point from the Los Angeles into the Hong Kong, it just worked. But it's actually pretty fast, and everything just fine so far. I'm sorry I'm vlogging on my phone right now because I'm just so tired to set up like a camera and just do this kind of. Let's see if we can have some fun in here. I'm gonna make multiple videos and trying to update as fast as I can, but right now I have this time zone different changes, whatever, so I have to sleep. I'm so tired, so I'll see you guys in like a bit. Alright guys, it's been a day after you guys see I record the last clip you guys see, and I actually kind of waked up already, I guess. I did record something funny yesterday. Maybe you guys should check it out. I put a GoPro on my dog, and that's the first time I did this, so I feel like it's kind of funny to show you guys. So here it is. Lucky. Lucky. Oh, gee. Alright guys, I literally just did like a freaking shoot with like I'm holding a gimbal, I standing in like the water and just do like a shoot like this. I'm literally just holding the Ronin S right now just to vlog. I don't usually do that, but today I might just gonna risk my camera a little bit and maybe do a little bit low shot in the sea. This is a bad idea. Let's see.
Take me to your soul.